Neurotransmitters are chemical substances that transmit signals between neurons and the small gaps between neurons across these synapses. These chemicals are crucial for communication within and between the brain and other parts of the body. Neurotransmitters. What are neurotransmitters? The essential role of neurotransmitters. And there are numerous types of neurotransmitters, each with specific functions influencing mood, behavior, cognition, and bodily functions. Neurotransmitters operate in a highly regulated manner, with precise levels required for proper brain function. Common neurotransmitters include serotonin, dopamine, norepinephrine, epinephrine, and GABA. There are more, but these are just a few of them. How are neurotransmitters created? Neurotransmitters, are they natural or artificial? Neurotransmitters are synthesized within neurons from dietary nutrients, primarily amino acids. For example, serotonin is derived from the amino acid tryptophan, while dopamine and norepinephrine are synthesized from tyrosine. These amino acids are actually obtained from proteins we consume in our diet. The synthesis process is complex and involves multiple steps within the neurons. Once synthesized, neurotransmitters are stored in vesicles within the neuron's terminals, ready for release when an electrical signal triggers. This release initiates the transmission of signals across synapses to neighboring neurons or target cells, and most of serotonin is made in the gut, so it's important to have good gut health in order to have good serotonin production. The impact of stress on neurotransmitters. Does stress cause neurotransmitters? Well, stress profoundly influences neurotransmitter levels and function. When we encounter physical or emotional stress, the body responds by releasing hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, or epinephrine, you can say. These stress hormones can disrupt neurotransmitter balance in several ways. Depletion. Chronic stress can deplete neurotransmitter reserves, particularly serotonin and dopamine, leading to the symptoms of anxiety, depression, and mood disorders. You can have neurotransmitter imbalance, as stress can alter the balance between excitatory and inhibitory. Excitatory are like glutamate, epinephrine, and inhibitory are like serotonin and GABA neurotransmitters, affecting cognitive function and emotional regulation. Neurotransmitters can affect neuroplasticity, which is prolonged stress can impair neuroplasticity as the brain's ability to adapt and form new connections further impact mental resilience and well-being. How the gut affects neurotransmitters, the gut-brain connection. Recent research has highlighted a remarkable connection between the gut and neurotransmitter function, known as the gut-brain axis. The gut microbiome, composed of trillions of bacteria, reside in our digestive tract and plays a pivotal role in producing neurotransmitters such as serotonin and GABA. Approximately 90% of serotonin, a key neurotransmitter in mood regulation, is actually synthesized in the gut. The gut microbiome influences serotonin production by metabolizing dietary components of tryptophan, which is the precursor to serotonin. Moreover, disturbances in gut microbiota composition, also known as gut dysbiosis, has been linked to mood disorders and cognitive impairment, highlighting that bidirectional relationship between gut health and mental well-being. Have you ever experienced any gut issues that might be related to neurotransmitters? Share it in the comments below. How to test for neurotransmitter imbalances. Importance of testing neurotransmitter levels. Identifying neurotransmitter imbalance typically involves specialized testing methods that analyze neurotransmitter levels or metabolites of it. Common tests include urine neurotransmitter testing, which provides insights into neurotransmitter activity and potential imbalances. These tests can measure metabolites or the breakdown products of actual neurotransmitters, and they offer valuable diagnostic information. If you're interested in doing neurotransmitter testing, getting to the root cause, give us a call and we can guide you on the most appropriate test for you. Addressing neurotransmitter imbalances. What can you do? Strategies for rebalancing neurotransmitters. If testing reviews neurotransmitter imbalances, several strategies can help restore optimal neurotransmitter function. Dietary optimization. Ensure adequate intake of amino acids, from protein-rich foods to help support neurotransmitter synthesis. Stress management. Adopt stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises to mitigate the impact of stress on neurotransmitter imbalance. Supplementation. Consider targeted supplements under proper guidance, such as 5-HTP for serotonin support or L-tyrosine for dopamine enhancement, or GABA to improve GABA's calming properties, but always use it under guidance of someone experienced. Therapeutic interventions. Use psychotherapy modalities like cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, to address underlying emotional factors contributing to neurotransmitter imbalances. In conclusion, neurotransmitters are essential for optimal brain function and overall health. From their synthesis and regulation to their susceptibility to stress and influence from the gut, understanding neurotransmitters provides valuable insights into mental and physical well-being. If you are curious about your neurotransmitter levels, give us a call and we can guide you on the best test to do that fits your system. To see more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Dr. Carrie Lam, and I'm here to empower you to take control of your health.